Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about another use case of the fast fill updates in the record triggered flow of the Salesforce. So before we get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So in the last session, I have already one tutorial on fast fill update. In that I have discussed about whenever a lead record is getting created, then whenever the annual revenue is greater than like 50,000, then I'm just updating that rating field of the lead to hot. So that one scenario, one use case I have discussed in the session one. So I will include that video link of the tutorial one for the fast fill for the flows in the description. So in the today's use case, that use case will be like whenever we are just converting a lead into opportunity. So whenever a lead conversion happens in Salesforce by like clicking on this convert lead button in the lead record, so that lead is getting distributed among three records, like like account, a contact, and optionally opportunity, and the parent and the lead record got archived. So I'll be discussing on that use case, like whenever the lead is getting converted, then when the opportunity is getting created from that lead, so that opportunity's close date needs to be updated with that fast field feature in the record trigger flow. So by default, whenever a lead conversion happens, the opportunity close date automatically set to the end of the fiscal year, right? So and so this is the by default scenario. So whenever this lead is getting converted into opportunity, it will take the close date of the opportunity as the end date of the fiscal year. So we will just modify that close date. So whenever the lead is getting converted with our predefined value using a formula in that fast fill update flow. So let's create the flow. So I'll be creating a record triggered flow. So selecting this record triggered flow, so our object should be opportunity. So whenever the opportunity is getting created, so and I'll be selecting this fast fill updates feature, and I'll just create from the resource from the manager. I'll be just clicking on this new resource to create a formula. So the formula will be like of close date formula, and the data type should be date, and I'll be just putting like today. So insert function, from the function we can search for this today function. So I am just keeping it 10 days, like whenever the opportunity is getting created, the close date should be today plus 10 days. So after the 10 days it will be just opportunity close date will just populate. So I'll be just click on this checkbox, check syntax, so it is a valid formula. I'll be just clicking on done, and from the designer palette, so I can just update the triggering record. So update the triggering record means the for which means for that opportunity record, this fast fill update flow got triggered, right? So update the op record. So I'll be just how to find the records to update and set their values. I'll be just selecting, by default it will be selected since I just selected update records for the triggering. So and use the opportunity record that triggered the flow. I'll be just selecting from the opportunity fields. We need to search for this close date. We need to update the standard field. So and it should be updated with that created formula. So that's all. I can just save the flow. I'm just clicking on save. So we can just add a different fall path as well. For fast fill update we can't add the fall path. Okay, so we can just activate the flow, and let me just test it out. From the lead record we can just convert this lead record. So we want to create an opportunity, so there is an option like the opportunity creation is optional. Whenever the lead is getting converted, we can just mark the checkbox to true if we don't want to create an opportunity record with the lead conversion. But in our case we want to create a new opportunity. So I'll be just clicking on this convert button, and I'll be just searching this opportunity we need to search, and we can see that the date is 22nd August, and today is 12th August, and the close date got populated by default with 22nd August. So this is how we can just simply use a fast fill update feature in the record trigger flow to update certain fields for the triggering records. And we can just data normalization perspective, we can also use this feature effectively. So this is the second use case for this fast fill update. I'll be covering more tutorials on the Salesforce and Omni Studio topics. So please stay tuned. Please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.